Welcome back to Forestry Tech, where heavy equipment meets extreme challenges. Today, we're diving into some of the most jaw-dropping excavator operator skills you'll ever see. From underwater rescues to mining in dangerous terrain, this is where precision, guts, and grit collide. Let's get into it. First up, a 20-ton excavator trapped in over 23 feet of water and sediment. Most folks will call in a crane and hope for the best, but not this crew. Using flotation bags, hydraulic winches, and strategic crane lifting, they executed a flawless excavator underwater recovery. The operator guided every movement with pinpoint accuracy, even while visibility was nearly zero. This kind of recovery takes more than muscle, it takes mastery. Now imagine running an excavator completely underwater. That's right, this operator maneuvers a 15-ton amphibious excavator beneath the surface like it's second nature. To pull this off, you need deep knowledge of hydraulics, pressure resistance, and terrain mapping, all while factoring in visibility and water currents. It's not just about power, it's about precision. And one wrong move could cost the entire machine. Let's start with this mind-blowing trick equipment loading without a ramp. This operator uses the excavator's own boom and bucket to slowly lift and slide the entire machine onto a flatbed trailer. No ramps, no crew, just careful balance and full control. It's called self-loading, and while it may look risky, in the hands of a seasoned operator, it's a calculated, efficient move. Still, it's not something you'd want to try without serious training and a flawless understanding of weight distribution. Operators often face the unexpected stuck equipment, unstable terrain, or missing attachments. What sets the pros apart is how they improvise safely. In this scene, we see a dozer operator use an excavator bucket as a makeshift anchor point to free a stuck track, a bold move, but done with spotters, proper communication, and a safety perimeter in place. These smart excavator operations show that creativity and caution can go hand in hand. One of the most underrated skills in heavy equipment operation is controlling weight and balance. In this clip, we watch an operator transfer a 3,000-pound steel beam across uneven ground, adjusting the boom height and machine posture in real time to maintain stability. These small corrections keep the machine from tipping, especially when dealing with soft soil or sloped terrain. It's not flashy, but it's the kind of work that prevents accidents before they happen. Every operator knows that safety isn't just about how you move, it's also about how you prepare. In this segment, we spotlight a crew working near dry brush. They've equipped the site with extinguishers, cleared flammable debris, and installed fire shields on the exhaust. And when an engine sparks unexpectedly, watch how quickly they respond. This is fire safety in action, and is proof that smart planning can turn a potential disaster into a minor delay. From clever self-loading to on-site fire prevention, it's clear that safety and innovation are two sides of the same coin. Whether it's adapting to tough terrain or making the most of limited tools, these operators know how to think on their feet and protect their teams while doing it. For more real-world lessons in precision, power, and problem solving, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to Forestry Tech, your source for extreme machine action with a smart, safe edge.